Bside X2. It is a triple mode multimeter with infrared thermometer. It's Catii 500V, 2000 counts. Its test pan 80 cm long. It had a Catii 1kV, Catii 600V, 10 amp, and it's a 2 mm plug test pan. It used 1.5V AAA battery 2-piece. Its size is 181 x 28 x 31 mm. It weighs 87 grams. DC voltage 0.5V to 500V. AC volt 1V to 500V. Resistor range 1 ohm to 10 megaohm. Frequency 0.1 Hz to 1 kHz. And continuity is less than 30 ohm. The Bside may be on. And it have a V alert function. It have 3 rings. Low ring must be on the display the green. Mid ring display the yellow, and high ring display all the color green, and yellow and red, full bar. And voltage ring about is 19 to 1 kV. It have a temperature testing, minus 20 degrees C to 380 degrees C. Okay, let's see the meter now. The meter comes with a cheap paper ball. It made in China. And also have a pump bed. It's a hard case. And a user menu. 2 AAA battery. 1P of the meter. A test pan. 10 amp. Catii 600V, and with pucks. But this the color have a problem. In this wet, this bed. And in this bed, this white color, but this is a wet test lead. And the pump is 2 mm. It's special and hard to buy the cable. And come with a mini screwdriver for open the meter. And there's the hard case. It's also okay of this one. Okay, let's see the meter. That is a meter. It's Bside X2. And there's a power switch. There's a torch switch. This is a temperature switch. And there's a indicate LED. And the pump. They have no charter ping on this one, which is come with is the positive. Like this one, only the color. There's a bad. There's a wet. It's 2 mm jet. And now open the meter. And the meter cover are hard to open. Only for this one can be open. And they have the downside have two holes. Be careful not to break down this one. And now open the battery. There's two alkali battery. Also we use the original screwdriver, also okay. Long part this is on. Now see the meter. Okay. Let's see the user menu first. Now testing on the reference DC. 2.5 volt DC, 5 volt, 7.5 volt, 10 volt, It's so accuracy of the DC volt. And now see the AC voltage. It's so 223. Flip is a 222. It's also okay. And this have a Hertz display. It's so 50.2 of this one. Okay. Let's see the meter another function. And the meter function may be auto for testing the resistor. $25 ohm, 13 ohm, 13 ohm. Okay, let's try to test the normal resistor. 1 ohm. It's so 0.0. 10 ohm. It's so 8 ohm. 10K. It's so 10.03K. It's also okay. 20.02K ISO 20 kΩ, 0.5K ISO 505 it's okay. 1.9997 meg ISO 1.997 meg okay. 5.09 mega ISO 5.00 4.99 mega okay. The max value 10.87 mega no reading of this one okay. Now see the meter latching. It's all about 64 dB. It's not so far for response. 1, 2. It's low for the continuity test. It's your time. If so far there were no response. One, two. Okay, let's see another function. And another function is testing on the light on the LED. We're testing it. It cannot light up the LED. No one can light up the LED. Okay. The meter no die function. We test it. This is a normal die. It only show a K for this one. A K because this one no die test function. Okay. Now let's see the meter for the NCV. In the long distance, they will have a green display and on the display and green light. When near, they have a yellow display and a yellow LED. When touching, they have a three color of the display and full of LED on. Or let's see the cable. It also can show on the cable for the NCV. It mid-range storm of this one, this meter. Okay. And this meter have a torch function. Long part of this one short part, sorry. We show on the LED. But all the old LED also have a small lamp light on because the backlight skin came on. Okay, and this meter have a temperature sensor. The temperature sensor in this, the sensor in this way, and when you push this read, there will be sensor the temperature. Now the room temperature is 28 degrees C. Now we compare of the meter show 28.1. The laser sensor is 30. Okay. Let's try another function. And the meter have a temperature sensor, can be changed to cells to vary. In normal is cells, and when you want to change to vary, put this one and pass the torch switch. And now time it come to vary long part of this one, and long part again it come to the cells. Okay. Temperature testing. Room temperature 29.6. Home temperature 32. Display 56. And open the water. It's so 85.6. It's so 82, 87, 86. It also same. And series test. It's go green. And touch maybe yellow. The sensitivity is a mid. Test pen U current test for the test on the socket unit. Let's see. In the line in the neutral, they draw about 0.234 milliamp. And let's see the light up to the earth. It also 0.234 milliamp, but it cannot trip the LCD. And this meter know the cat rating pin on the tester, and then no light hot wire check. I also check this for the meter. And when you put the test lead to the meter, there may be wait a time for so on the 1.6 volt AC. It shows the hot wire, but it will wait a time for checking this one. And the neutral also have shown another reading, like a make it's a fault reading. If no, it will be wait a time for display the value, like this. The F. Maybe wait a time. Now is a 2.3 volt AC. You can find the hot wire, but you must wait a long time for this one. Also the bad test lead can do this. It's so 1.78 volt AC. Then maybe the hot wire. Neutral, no. Wait a time, no. F, no. Hot wire. You can show the hot wire, but must be you a long time. Okay, let's test next function. Power consumption test. Now is a 3 volt. The meter open is a 71.6 milliamp. In lemon, it is a 98.99 milliamp about. And temperature on, it also 99 milliamp of this one. Okay, let's test the low voltage. In the low voltage, about 2.8 volt, 2.7 volt. Lower, about 2.5 volt. The meter show the low battery logo. .47 volt. They may be battery low. And much lower. More. Okay, 1.5 volt. .4 they may be off. You cannot power on. About 1.75 volt maybe power on. Okay, that's finished. Meter T down is the battery cover. This is top side. And in this, they have 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the back side. And I opened it before. They have the temperature sensor plug in this one. They have a temperature sensor board inside. Okay, let's see the meter. They come with PTC and a main chip and the LCD display. Okay, let's try to open it. There is the terminal connector part. It comes with a bed and a wet 2mm jet. Okay, let's see another. This comes with the skin, the protect skin. There is the backlight and the waveband cable. Inside also have a coating paint on this. And the cap only sensor, NCV sensor and the LED. And the touch button, push button circuit board, LED. Okay. There is full inside of this one. And let's see the temperature sensor. They have a cap inside. Can it come up? Okay, it fully come out. Oh, there's a LAN and a white cap inside. There's a temperature sensor of this one. Okay, thanks for watching.